No matter which bike you ride, which city you live in, or how much experience you have, the road always rewards attention, patience, and preparation. Let us ride with a calm and observant mindset. You are watching a real road journey. This ride is not only about the destination. It is about observation, decisions, timing, space, discipline, and learning from what happens around us. Whether you ride daily, travel occasionally, or simply enjoy road videos, there is always something useful to take from every kilometer. One of the most valuable habits in riding is maintaining proper space. Good riders do not depend only on quick breaks. They depend on anticipation. A little extra following distance gives more time to think, react, and choose a safer line. Lane discipline is not just about rules. It is about visibility and predictability. When you hold a clean line, others can judge your movement better. Frequent unnecessary weaving may save only a few seconds, but it increases risk for everyone. This section shows how road width changes rider behavior. In Hyderabad, one thing that stands out is the rhythm of city movement. It changes how a rider should think about speed, lane choice, and attention. Roads may look familiar, but every area has its own behavior pattern. So if we summarize this ride, the key lessons are simple: keep space, read the road, stay visible, plan better, maintain the machine, and ride with patience. Skill is built in small repeated decisions, not only in rare dramatic moments. If this ride helped you notice even one thing differently, then the video has done its job. Safe riding is not about perfection. It is about learning early, learning often, and applying small improvements consistently.